Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to restore your Guarda wallet account. So let's dive into the video right away. Launch Open Guarda application from your app drawer. If you've recently logged out of your wallet, or if you've recently lost your device, or you are trying to restore your Guarda wallet application on a new device, then here is how you can easily do it. From the first interface of Guarda wallet, tap on the Restore Wallet button at the bottom. Now, there are two options you can choose from in order to get access to your wallet. You can choose the secret phrase option, where you'll need to type in the 12 words or 24 words secret phrases in the correct order in order to recover your wallet again. Similarly, you can choose the Guarda backup file option and then enter the backup code that you previously backed up from your wallet. Now, paste in the backup code in the text box, and once you are done, you will need to enter your Guarda password in the password text box. After you are done, tap on Restore in order to restore your Guarda wallet account back again. So that's how easy it is. All you need is your seed phrases or your backup code and you will be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.